Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the chromatic effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Glitch, and then the chromatic effect should be the first or the second effect. Now we're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to use the player head to scroll through it, check it out, and now we're going to bring it to the beginning and the end of the clip. Now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the lateral chromatic aberration. As you can see, it changes. We can mess with the strength of it. We can mess with the speed. So we'll go like around 54. And we can also add keyframes to it, depending on if you guys want to add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's check it out. And there you have the chromatic effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.